What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I just want to give some tips on some stuff that I have that you could do on YouTube. Like I am using an iPhone, but you can use any mobile phone probably that can you do this. And I just want to show you a tip. I did my own highlights when I went bowling with Rob Allbanks, and I'm gonna show you what I was telling people that you could link your video to your shorts. So if you have a short, you can link your shorts to your main video. So we're gonna go to this one right here. We're gonna edit, and we did a lot of bowling. We put a lot of highlights. So we're gonna add the highlights into there. I'll select all. This is number 5. I'll put paste. Change that to 5. I just try to keep it simple for myself. Then I'll go in here and highlight everything. Copy. Then once you hit the more option where it's gonna give you the visibility, that's when you wanted to drop it. The description. I don't really try to do that right now because I already have my stuff. I have some pre-stuff already set up. So now I'll copy and paste that in there. Make sure you always start your hashtag or your channel name so you can build your channel presence with your hashtag. And then since Rob Allbanks is in here with me, we are going to go at Rob Allbanks. And you're going to see him right here. I got him put in. Go to the arrow. Location. Thunder Zone. Douglasville. And then you see where it say related video. You click on the related video. And it's going to bring up all your stuff that's on your channel. And since I did bowling with Rob Allbanks, see right here, it said TheJ Jordan is live bowling with Rob Allbanks. I'm going to click that. So now it's going to input my related video to my short so you can know what to do. And then I always, this right here is set up your playlist. So make it easy for people to find what your channel, your stuff is about. So it's going to be bowling, and that was in December shorts. And then I'm going to have done. And what you can do, you can also put in your tags. This is the new setup. I already have my tags on here. You can schedule your tags on automatic so you don't have to keep putting it in. So all I got to do is put in bowling. Because I need to put the bowling in. And then probably put in shorts. Like if you do it, if you already have tags, it won't let you put in the same thing twice. So we're gonna put in shorts right here. And that went through, so we're gonna go back out of the attributes. So now we got the tags, we got that taken care of. And then we're gonna set the time. We're gonna schedule the time today for January 2nd, February. Well, January 2nd on January 2nd on Friday, which is today. And we're going to set the time for 6:30 a.m. That way you can know at 6:30 you will see this video will be dropping, but you're going to see how I did it. So once I hit the enter, now as you see, we got the information about the Rob Allbanks in the top, part 5. We got the visibility on what time we want to go. And make sure you have it if your audience have to be not no, and it's not made for kids, for people to leave comments on your video. The description is normally give you more information that you can talk about your channel. The title is only 100 characters. I think the description maybe like 5,000. Location, related video, where you want your playlist. And then since I'm monetized, I could go and click monetize to make sure you're monetized, but my shorts automatic goes monetization. So I don't have to worry about that part. So then I'm just gonna hit save. And it's at 6:30. And there we go. 6:30. This is the video that's gonna go. What's up there, that golden alley. I'm not gonna show hit that like. So that's all